Are you shedding? I know how to fix this. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this pet grooming vacuum. But wait, this one is also a blower. So let's go over all the cool parts. Are you gonna come check it out? She's like, I might let you use that on me. We're gonna go over all the options and the parts for this, and we're gonna show you how it works. So first off, this does come with a nice storage bag that you can store all of your parts and your hoses in. You're gonna notice there's two hoses here. It comes with a manual. This hose is for when you are vacuuming your dog's fur, and this hose, you will notice, has this insulated part right here. This is the one that goes to the back when you blow out your dog's coats. And then as for all of the attachments, this one goes with the blower. This one is a cleanup tool. We have one of the nice shaver tools. I only really ever shave my dog's paw pads, but not only does it come with the clippers, it comes with a bunch of guards for the clippers and a really close guard for the clippers. So if you clip your dogs, this is amazing. We have a really nice slicker brush, and you can see these work by just pushing the button on the back, and it makes it so all the hair gets sucked right in. We have a deshedding brush. And then this is like a massaging brush. The girls are like, I don't know if we're ready to have this used or not. Let me plug this in and show you how to hook it up. Pretty easy to connect the hoses. You can see it has the button here. Basically put it in, hose is connected. All of the attachments pretty much have the same type of setup as the hose connection. So you line them up there, push them together, and it'll clip right together. So now you know it's on there. Then to take them off, push this button, makes it nice and easy. Let's put it to the test. Okay, so we're gonna go over the buttons real quick. This is the power button, of course, push and hold, and it will turn on. Now, this controls the blower and the suction, both of these. So whether or not it's sucking in from here or it's blowing out, which I don't have the other one hooked up. And then this controls the heat that comes out of the blower. But we are gonna go through the actual vacuum part of this first. So we're gonna set this to the 1, and I'm gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like before I vacuum the dog. That's as high as it goes. That's some good suction, look. That's pretty good. What do you think? Want to use it? And that's on high. So I'm gonna use the slicker brush on Eleanor. Yeah? She's like, I'm used to this. I know what we're doing. So I have the blower on the highest setting. Yeah, check it out. Holy cow. That is so crazy. Can you see that? She's like, look at, see, watch it. I know. She's like, wait, squirrel. This is the silicone one, which is really soft. It's like giving them a massage. You can see, look at this. And again, right now I have it on the highest setting because my dogs are used to this. Oh, holy cow. That's cool. Look at that. That's crazy. She's like, yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. And literally within like 3 minutes of grooming, that's how full it is. I also do want to note, it does have a filter in here. And to pop the bin off on the bottom here, there's this little piece. And you just, oh, look at the static electricity. You just pop that bin off and you can empty it in the trash. So now I have the blower hose installed. I have the blower head on. And as much as I shouldn't do this inside, I'm gonna show you how much this actually moves her fur around. This is great for drying your dogs, but also for blowing out their coats, which is actually what I do a lot to maintain the health of my dog's coats. So this is gonna be crazy. This one's gonna be pretty powerful. Let's see. Look at that, oh my goodness. Oh, does that feel amazing? Oh my goodness, and the hair is just flying. Oh my. She's like, oh yeah, look, yeah, this is a bad idea. I'm gonna have to vacuum after this, but holy cow, look at all that loose hair come up. Eleanor's like, I love it. This is great, I love it, just keep doing it. I think we're gonna have to vacuum up all the fur we got everywhere. That is a nice blower. Wow, this has really good suction. It has really great blowing power. It has all of these components and parts that come with it. It has the storage bag. This is an amazing dog grooming vacuum. I am really happy with this one. If you guys have been looking to get a dog grooming vacuum for your house to make grooming your dogs at home easier, we recommend this. What do you think, Kira? Kira's like, don't you dare do it to me, Mom. I'm not in the mood. Thanks for watching, you guys.